Hi everyone, my name's Zara, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this glitter tumbler, so let's get straight into it. So I've got this bottle here. I think I got this off Amazon or eBay, and it's a double-walled one. You want to make sure it's double-walled so that you can put glitter and whatever inside. So I'm just going to start by taking the lid off. I have already washed this when I got it, and you want to turn that upside down. And I'm going to be using this hand drill, so next you want to make a hole just in this first layer, so you can kind of see there's like 2 layers to this. So I want to make a small hole here. So I'm going to try and use like my biggest drill bit, as these are all quite small. But you don't want like a large massive gaping hole, you just need something big enough to put in some glitter. So feel free to use a normal power drill. I'm just using this because, first of all, I always film when it's quite late, so that would be quite noisy. Second of all, I'm worried if I use a power drill, it's just going to go straight through both layers. So I'm going to go ahead and drill the hole now. So I have drilled my hole, that didn't take very long at all. And as you can see, it's quite big, but also at the same time it's not really that big. So I'm about to add glitter in. I've already made a mess opening this, but basically I'm just going to pour it on the bottom. I know this seems so messy, and then basically just use my tweezers to like push it over the hole I made, and then it will fall into it basically. And I'm going to continue to do this with this glitter. So I've got this really pretty one, this is like white, pink. I've got this really bright pink one, and then this one which is like a mixture of like pastel pink, purple and blue. So I'm basically just going to work on filling this up. So I've got my glitter in. I've actually put my finger on the bottom and like shaken it up so it's all mixed together, and look at that pink. That's amazing. It's like really taken over. I really like this. And then it's got like the pearly white in there. That's so nice. So I need to make like the solution to pour in. So I'm going to use this clear glue, basically clear PVA glue, and I'm going to mix it with some warm water. So you want to do a ratio of like 1 to 1/4. So for example, if you're going to do a cup of water, you need to mix in 1/4 cup of glue. So I've put my cup on a cloth, and I've got my solution all mixed up here, and I'm actually going to be using this pipette so that I can pick the water up like this and then put it into the hole. So at a time like this, it's really good if you have like one of those really miniature funnels. Unfortunately I don't. That will definitely speed up the process of putting in the glitter and also putting the water in. However, it's okay. I know this may seem tedious, but you can always do this whilst watching TV or listening to some music. So I finished filling this up with the water. Using the pipette wasn't that bad, it only took around 5 minutes to be honest. And I've left like a rough 2 centimeter gap, I think. So it's not filled up completely to the top. And I'm just going to shake it with my finger on the bottom, and you can see all the glitter. That's so pretty. I'm so pleased with how it came out. I wasn't really sure. I mean, I knew the colour combination went, but I wasn't sure how it was going to look, and I'm so happy with it. So I'm going to leave this now. The water was a bit warm as I had to like mix in the glue, so don't forget to warm it when you do that. And I'm just going to leave it to like cool down and probably just get to room temperature, and then I can work on sealing it up. So I've left this to settle for a bit, and I'm going to be using this E6000 glue to seal it up. So this is multi-surface all-weather adhesive, so basically it's waterproof. So I'm going to put a big glob of it here And then I'm going to also put a piece of acetate. So I have this tiny piece of acetate here. And I'm going to put this over it, just to kind of like double seal it. And then again, I'm going to put some more of this E6000 glue. And I'm going to leave this to dry. So this E6000 Plus or whatever it is, it says you need to wait up to 24 hours, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And the reason why this is plus is because it's like non-toxic and doesn't smell. So I'm going to leave this now, and then hopefully I can come back and turn the bottle the right way and it will be all water sealed. So here is the final tumbler. It looks so cool. It's set really well, there's no leaks whatsoever. You can see the bottom looks like that. And the glitter is like slow moving. You can see all the sparkles there. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!